So we're looking at the same problem with a clinical group that suffers from knee pain, and 42% of the patients in the clinical group take pain medication, 65% do physical therapy, and 35% do both medication, pain medication, and physical therapy. Now, we calculated the probability that a randomly chosen patient in this population, or rather in this clinical group, takes pain medication or does physical therapy. We solved this problem in two different ways. The first one was using the addition rule, and the second one was using the Venn diagram. Now we're going to answer the question, what is the probability that a patient in this clinical group neither takes medication nor does physical therapy? So nothing, no physical therapy, no medication. So if we look at the Venn diagram, a patient that does no physical therapy cannot be in the blue area or the purple area, which is here in this circle of physical therapy. And the patient who does neither physical therapy nor medication cannot be in the circle which is labeled M for medication. So they have to sit outside these two circles. So the person has to be sitting outside the two circles. And therefore, we have to calculate the probability of region 4. And that would be the probability that a patient takes neither pain medication nor does physical therapy. So when we add all the numbers in the two circles, we get 0.72. That is, probability of M or T would be the two circles combined. You can calculate that in two different ways, and both ways the answer is probability of M or T is equal to 0.72. Now the probability of neither M nor T, which means no physical therapy, no medication, is 1 minus probability of physical therapy, call it T, or medication, which is M. So that would be 1 minus 0.72, and that is equal to 0.28. So everything outside the two circles would be the probability that a patient does neither therapy nor medication. So that would be 1 minus therapy or medication, which we've already calculated as 0.72, and the difference is 0.28.